Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried eggs for breakfast. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter, and salt and pepper. Next, select a good non-stick pan, ideally 8 to 10 inches in diameter. Place your pan on the stove and heat it over medium-low heat. This gentle heat is crucial to prevent the butter from burning and ensures your eggs cook evenly and beautifully. Once your pan is warm, add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt until it's shimmering. Carefully crack 2 eggs directly into the pan, making sure the yolks remain intact. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the egg whites are mostly set and opaque, but the yolks are still wonderfully runny and bright yellow. This creates that perfect, classic fried egg. Now it's time to season your eggs. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper over them to enhance their flavor. If you prefer a slightly firmer yolk, you can gently baste the eggs with the hot butter from the pan for about 30 seconds. Finally, using a thin spatula, carefully slide your perfectly fried eggs onto your plate, ready to be enjoyed immediately. Your delicious fried eggs are now ready to be served. They pair wonderfully with toast, crispy bacon, or any of your favorite breakfast sides. For an easy cleanup, simply wipe the pan with a paper towel while it's still warm. This prevents food from sticking. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly cooked breakfast, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.